let's look at example 3.4. The question given that, okay, you got this sign. This sign is the identity sign. If you see this sign, that means the question given is already an identity. Okay, that means now, okay, the equation I highlight is already an identity. The second sentence talking about that where P and Q are constants. Okay, what does it mean? P and Q are constants. That means P and Q are some numbers, but at this moment you don't know. But after your calculations, you can tell me that what numbers are P and Q. Okay, here I provide you two methods to do so. Look at method 1. The concept of method 1 is that the properties of identity is that the left-hand side must be equal to the right-hand side if it is an identity, right? So I try to calculate the left-hand side and simplify. I try to simplify the right-hand side and then compare the terms, okay? So let's expand left-hand side together. X minus 2 times x plus 5. I expand the brackets. So I distribute the first bracket into the second one. Okay, I remove the second bracket. So you will have x minus 2 times x plus x minus 2 times 5. Okay, now you got two brackets, right? After the first steps, and then you expand it again. So x minus 2 times x, you will have x squared minus 2x. The second bracket, you will have plus 5x minus 10. These two, negative x and positive 5x are like terms, so you can simplify it. Negative x plus 5x 負2個 x 加5個 x. So total should be 3x. Okay, so you simplify it's positive 3x. So the left hand side after simplification it equals to x squared plus 3x minus 10. The right hand side is x squared plus px plus q. Okay, as I told you, the properties of an identity is that the polynomials on the left hand side must be equal to the right hand side. Look at that. There are three terms on both sides, right? So they are the same, right? So x squared match x squared already equal, right? Look at the second term. So the left hand side you got 3x. The right hand side you got px. So you compare because they are equal. So p must be equals to 3. Then I will get so I get the answer for p. Okay? So this one, negative 10 and positive q, they are constant terms, okay? So that means q should be equals to negative 10. Okay? So q is negative 10. Remember, you need to compare the sign as well. Okay? So for this answer, the q should be include the negative sign as well. So the q should be equals to negative 10 instead of 10. So that is the method 1. Okay, look at method 2. The concept for method 2 is that the properties of an identity is no matter what x you put into the identities, the left hand side always equals to the right hand side. This is the properties of an identity. 即係話恒等式佢嘅定義就係個 x 你無論擺乜嘢入去都好，你無論代個咩數入去都好，佢左手邊計出嚟永遠等於右手邊，呢個就係恒等式嘅定義嚟嘅。Okay, so we try to substitute some x into the identities to find p and q. Okay, now you got two unknown p and q. Okay, you need to find it one by one. Okay, so for me, I try to think about that. What number of x should I put so that I can cancel one of the unknown? Okay, because you find the unknowns one by one. Okay, so look at the right hand side. Okay, x squared plus px plus q. Okay, so for me, I want to cancel out the p first. So that I can find the q. Then I will put x is 0. Because p times 0 everything times 0 will be equals to 0, right? Then if you put x is 0, the p will be disappeared. Then you can find q. Okay, so I substitute x is 0. The left hand side, okay, 0 minus 2 times 0 plus 5. Then the right hand side, put that x is 0. 0 squared plus t plus p times 0 plus q. So this side you need to change to equal sign. Don't keeping the identities. Okay， 因為而家呢一刻你代咗個數落去，你係開始計數嘅，所以咧呢個符號係等於嘅。我頭先個定義就講咗，你代個數落去，你無論代個咩數落去個 x 度，佢左邊都等於右邊嘅，所以呢個係要寫等號。Okay, so the left hand side 0 minus 2 is -2 times 5. You will get -10. So the right hand side 0 squared plus p times 0. Okay, 0, 0. You still have q. Then you can find q equals to -10. Okay, the first number I choose is to think about that. You need to cancel out one of the unknown you are going to find, p and q. Okay, so I cancel out the p if I put x is 0. Okay, then after you finding the unknown q, the next step you are going to find the unknown p, right? But you find the unknown q is -10 already, so you can put back the q is -10 already. So the next steps you put another number into the identities again to find the p. So the number you choose, actually any number is okay. Okay, I choose 1. Maybe you can choose 2. You can choose 3. You can choose -1. So I choose 1. Okay, so I put x is 1 into the identities again. So 1 minus 2 times 1 plus 5. Okay, so the x put it is 1 square plus p times 1. Then the q you can put back is -10 to calculate. Otherwise you can't calculate. But you find q is -10 already, so you put back q is -10. Okay, so 1 minus 3 is -1, and then 1 plus 5 is 6. -1 times 6 is -6. Then 1 minus 10 here. 1 minus 10 is -9. P times 1 is p. So the right hand side become p minus 9. Okay, the q you find it already. Now you only have the p left, right? So p -6 equals to p minus 9. Move the -9 to the right hand side, to the left hand side, become +9. So the p is -6 plus 9. So the p you can find out is 3, right? Look at the method 1 and method 2. Okay, p is 3, q is -10. So both method is available to find the questions. So you see which one is suitable for you. So you choose one of